Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can remove items from your lists on Microsoft List. So let us get started. Head over to lists here in the overview on Microsoft Lists. Make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account. Click into My Lists. And then guys, navigate to the given list, click into it, go through it, and then what you want to do is hover your mouse over the given item, click into these three dots and click into delete. Confirm by clicking into this button. It will be then moved to the bin. You can access the bin by clicking into the gear icon in the top right, navigate to recycle bin. And then from here guys, what you want to do is wait till it finishes loading, click into that circle here to the left, and then confirm by clicking into delete at the top. Confirm the final deletion. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.